light innovative door. Got a linear garage door opener, super smooth and quiet, belt drive opener system. Okay, it'll come with your photoelectric beams, your multifunctional wall station. When you put a light bulb in, you get a light bulb right here in the front. Pull handle release, and the ultra smooth quietness of a belt drive. So for all your garage door opener needs, installation, service, give us a call 630-271-9343. www.door.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. Thanks for watching our garage door opener installation video, and as I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.